Potato salad, the ultimate side dish that is a staple at family gatherings, picnics, barbecues, Christmas and Thanksgiving, or even a regular Sunday. It's a good crowd pleaser and for a good reason. For the potato salad, I am adding one medium-sized diced carrot and some frozen peas for 5 minutes. We're going to use about 4 potatoes, should be enough. And we're going to quickly peel these and add them to some cold water. Everyone makes potato salads differently. You can add eggs to it as well, but this is the way I make my potato salad. Add this to water. On to the last potato. One of the things I learned about potatoes is that when you're boiling it, you should not boil it in boiling water. You should add it to cold water and allow all the potatoes to cook at the same time. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. These are 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch chops, and we're going to be using the smaller one for onions to dice our carrots. Get that in there. You can find this on Amazon. I bought this on Amazon. It makes life a whole lot easier, and presentation for your food is amazing. So I'm going to add this there. Just chop. And you have nice 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch slices, and it takes less time than using a knife. It took me about 2 minutes to get this done. And our potatoes are done. We're going to salt the water with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now I'm going to add the potatoes. When these are done, you're going to get nice diced potatoes that are whole. These are going to take their time and boil at cold water temperature. As it rises, the potatoes will cook. As you can see, we have our potatoes nicely diced and they will not mashed up. They're still intact and holds their shape. So we're going to be adding some fresh parsley. We have our carrot and peas here. We're going to be using corn. We have grated onions, and over there we have some green onions along with some other ingredients. So let's go in with our carrot and peas. Chopped parsley, 1/4 cup. We're gonna go in with our corn. These are frozen corn. If you have fresh corn, you can use it. You can even roast the corn and add it to your salad. We're adding 1 tablespoon of grated onions, white onions, and we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of chopped green onions. To this, I am also adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna just add 1.5. That's for savory. This salad is gonna be savory. Some people add sugar to their salad, but I don't like sugar in my salad because the world already has so much sugars already. I prefer to let it be savory. And I'm gonna go in with about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Just give this a good mix. The colors are beautiful. What are some other things that you can put in your salad? You know, over the years I've been making potato salad. I've simply been making it one way with one set of vegetables. What are some other vegetables that you could add to your potato salad? Sometimes I also go in with green and red bell peppers as well. So what are some other things I could add to my salad? So I'm gonna taste this. I'm going to add some salt to taste. And while I'm adjusting this, I am going to leave the adjustments in the description box. So I'm adding 1 more teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. So this is done. So here you have it, the ultimate potato salad recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up or subscribe. Help me to grow the channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another recipe.